mentioned that, you know, young girls, and not only girls, but in general, we're having a little trouble there. Not only girls. That is true. Definitely. And that is true. What do you think, Joanna, about the same question? Okay. So society. S- Points out society points to uh-huh. Okay. And what else? Had. Oh, with too much clothing, you mean? Too much. Okay. Okay. And now they don't. Now they do it with little clothing. Okay. It's true, and that right about that topic about homosexuality. It's, although nowadays we don't have that many taboos, but now it has become more of a normal thing to see a couple of the same gender, and people are starting to see it in a different way, with different eyes. And now, to close, I'm going to ask the last question. And Diana, instead of accepting the world as it is, what could we do to make it a better place? Okay. Instead of accepting the world as it is right now, with all the bad and the good as it is right now, what could we do to make it better? We focus on If we focus on doing something better, what could we do to make the world a better place? In the childhood. with their kids. With their kid. Okay, got you. Thank you very much. So, Katie, are you there? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Right. So, same question to you, Katie, to close the encounter. What could we do? Like, instead of accepting the world as it is, what could we do to make it a better place? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Thank you so much. And you, Joanna, what could we do to make it a better place? Okay. 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 So that would be helping each other. Then that would really make it a better place. Helping each other. All right. So if we right now, I'm going to just go ahead and talk to you about a little bit about how we are going to close the encounter and how we need to keep on practicing and little by little we will improve. And also I like to remind you to always check your emails, take the quiz. Remember that the quizzes are put up on Sundays up until Thursdays, and it's important that you watch the video, hear the audios before you take the quiz. Make sure you girls, Joanna and Diana, take it today so that you don't miss the opportunity. And also be ready for the interview. Don't forget to do that. Always check your email. Don't and keep up the good work. We've been improving little by little, and I think that you guys can get better and better with practice. Today is encounter 6, so we have 2 more to go, and believe it or not, we are almost finished. So so that would be wonderful. That would be wonderful. Like I said before.